Hello and welcome to Safer Soccer Academy the Intellects on YouTube. In this channel, we are out to help the advanced level science students to attain the academic excellence and the academic goals by providing them with the correct and the time-saving approach to all GC equations as proposed by the GC board. In this video, we are looking at the advanced level science MOCK-2024 paper 2 question 2. And if you are new in this channel, I'll invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of our videos subsequently uploaded. And stay tuned on our channel for more videos like this. So we are studying Roman 1 and Roman 2. Now start with Roman 1. They said given that the roots of the equation 3x squared minus into 4 plus 2kx plus 2kr, that is equals to 0, are alpha and beta. Find the values of k, or find the value of k for which beta is equal to 3 alpha. Now when you see a quadratic equation question like this, you should not be in the haste, for you don't be in the haste for a question that you can solve, that you are sure to solve. So you first of all collect your data, and to collect your data, you compare your quadratic equation to the general quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. And comparing it, you are seeing that x, or a is the coefficient of x squared, so it means that a is equals to 3. B the coefficient of x, so it means that b is equals to negative into 4 plus 2k, and then c is the constant term, which is 2k. Now after that, you can now find a sum of roots, because the roots are alpha and beta. Sum of roots alpha plus beta is equals to negative b all over a. But now beta is equals to 3 alpha. That's why you are seeing I'm putting 4 alpha is equals to b is negative. So you have the 4 plus 2k all over 3. And you imply that when you do a proper simplification, you get alpha is equals to 2 plus k on 6. Look at it well, it is correct. Now product of roots, you have alpha beta is equals to c all over a, which means that 3 alpha squared, because beta is equals to 3 alpha. 3 alpha times alpha is 3 alpha squared, is equals to 2k all over 3. Now you replace now the value of alpha into that equation there, and alpha here is squared, so it means that you get 3 is equals to, or 3 into 2k, 2 plus k over 6 into 2 plus k over 6 is equals to 2k on 3. Now when you simplify, you get 3 into 4 plus k, 4 plus 4k plus k squared over 36 equals to 2 on 3. Now 3 cancel on 3 one time, 3 cancel on 36 12 times, so you get 4 plus 4k plus k squared is equals to 12, is equals to 2k times 12, because when the 12 finish, you simplify there, you go up, and then you have 2k times 12 on 3, which implies that 4 plus 4k plus k squared is equals to 8k. Now when you send the 8k the other side, you get k squared minus 4k plus k equals to 0. Now you have a quadratic equation again, of which you have to factorize, or use formula method if you want. Now for factorization method, if you are not very powerful in factorization method, and you see that the method that I will show you is very lengthy or is very long, you go and use your formula method directly to save time. But someone that is already used to factorization, you just see that and then factorize directly. Now the general approach to factorization is what? You look for two numbers of AC, two factors of AC that when you add them together will give you B, or you multiply them together will give you AC. And now if you don't know, you go to your rough work and write the factors of AC, both the positive and the negative factors. You look for the two numbers there. It can be negative and negative, no problem. You substitute into your quadratic equation to get your equation factorized. And the two factors that are found is negative 2 and 2. So it means that k squared minus 2k plus 4 is equals to 2, because if you add negative 2 times minus 2 is the same thing as negative 4, and negative 2 times negative 2 is the same thing as 4. So it means that you have, when you factorize, you get k minus 2 into k minus 2 is equals to 0, which implies that k is equals to 2. Now they are equal factors, so k is equals to 2, just one factor. Now the Roman 2 part says a rectangular block has a square base. The area of the base is 3 minus 2 root 2 m squared, and the volume of the block is 3 plus 2 root 2 m cubed. Find, without using calculator, the height of the block in the form p plus q root 2m, where q and m are integers. They said the hints, I've even given you the hints for this question. They said volume of the rectangular block is equals to base area times height. Now if they did not give you that hint, we're also supposed to be able to solve that. So they said volume is equals to area all times height. So we are looking for the area. It means that we are looking for the height. So it means that the height is equals to V on A. Now they have given to you the volume already as 3 plus 2 root 2, and then the area is 3 minus 2 root 2. So it means that your height will be 3 plus 2 root 2 over 3 minus 2 root 2. Now you realize that here you have a set, or here you have what? A denominator having a square root, and to have the denominator having a square root, and remember the formula that I've asked you to find h in. They said h in the form p plus q root 2. So it means that we are meant to rationalize this equation here, or you are meant to rationalize the expression. No, it's an equation because it has an equal sign. So to rationalize it, you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. If you doubt what is conjugate is simply to find the conjugate of a set, you negate the part that is having the square root, and the part that is having the square root there is 2 root 2. So you negate that one, or you change the sign. Simply you just change the sign. So you multiply top and bottom, you get 3 plus 2 root 2 on 3 root 2, which is the conjugate of the denominator. You multiply top and bottom so that it seems like you have not done anything. So now multiplying it, you get 3 times 3 is 9 plus 6 root 2 plus 6 root 2 plus 2 into plus 4 into 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. Now root 2 times root 2 is 2. Now divided by 9 plus 6 root 2 minus 6 root 2, or minus 4 into 2. Now remember that rationalizing the denominator will simply make the square root to disappear, so that you get there 17 plus 12 root 2 on 9 minus 8, and we should imply that your h, or our h, is 17 plus 12 root 2, which is in the form p plus q root 2. So you see that p is equals to 12 and q is equals to p is equals to 17, and q is equals to 12. So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and the video was interesting to you. I'll invite you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends for them to also attain academic excellence. And don't forget that in science,